Hello and welcome to my channel, and we are in the SQL 50 interview questions. Right now we are in the advanced selecting joins. So we have completed this consecutive numbers, and in the next problem is the product price at a given date. So let us approach to this problem and try to solve the SQL question. Okay, so it is 1164 question number, and here you have the description of the question. That is product price at a given rate, and we have column name as product ID, new price, and change date. Now, product ID and change date is the primary key, so it is a combination of columns with unique values. Okay, so each row of the table indicates that the price of some products was changed to the new price at some date. Okay. Now, the question is write a solution to find the price of all the products on this date. Okay, assume the price of all the products before any change is 18. Okay, return the result date in any order. Okay, the result should be okay, fine. So this is the example of an of the input table, primary ID, new price, and changed date. Now you see over here, what it is asking is write a solution to find the price of all the products as on this one. Okay, so this is the last date. I have to consider this one as the last date. Okay, so I have to find all the prices as on this date. Okay, so on 16th, so you have product ID 1 as new price of 35. Similarly, for the product ID of 2, you will get 50. Right? Now, the output is also showing 3. This 3 is 10 because I think this one is assuming the price of all the prices before any change is 10. So it is assuming that after anything which is after 16, all the changes will be considered as 10. Means all the original price will be considered as 10. So now let me just proceed into the solution. So how to do this kind of equation, this kind of solution is that first of all let me consider that this one is the threshold level. Okay, so this 16th 8 19, because these had been the main key to the question. Actually, write a solution to find the prices of all the products on 16th of 8. Okay, so here what my approach will be, let us divide the dates into two equal halves actually, as on 16th 8 2019, something minimum to that, and something which, and the dates which are greater than 16th 8 means these two, 17 and 18. Now, since the question has already given that whether what the date will be, it will take as 10 for any dates which for any prices whose change date is after 16 8 2019. That means if I consider if I consider this 17 8 2019 and 18 8 2019, you see that only this three. Okay, the 3 is the unique one who is not having any date before 16 8 2019. So I will consider 3 as 10 because it is already told assume the price of all the products before any change is 10. So whatever be the change price, it is up to 16 8 2019. Anything after this date will be considered as 10. Since 2 is already is accorded in this one over here, so I will not consider 2. If any other product ID is there, similarly as 4, whose data is not accorded before 16.8, then I would also consider 4 as 10. Okay, so let me just start the solution by using select uh, product ID. Now I will consider 10 as price. Okay, I will now consider only the part which is only the part where change date is greater than 16th 8 2019. Okay, then after that I will use some joins and I will just merge the two things. Okay, just let me just write the things. Okay, products, and I will use a group by on product ID. Whatever thing is there, the main thing is on the date. Okay, date and product ID. You need to consider whatever which date is it. Main game is on the date. uh, some dates which will be greater than 16, and some dates will be less than 16. Okay, the 16 8 to the 19 is the threshold level. Okay, we have to go in the upper part also and the lower part also, and on that date only I will use the group by on product ID, and use this new prices. Okay, whichever is the maximum. Now, so this part what I am doing is stay as price. This is all only for the conditions where the change date is greater than the assigned date, that is on 16 to 2019. Okay. Now I will use the having over here. So this will say that on which condition I am going to consider the date. So the change date will be minimum of the change date will be greater than this one. Okay. Okay. I think this is clear, everyone. Okay. Now let's come to the second part. Select. I will use e dot. What I will do is I will use an inner join over here with two tables, one with the actual table and the table which I will derive. So actual table with the derived table, and I will do a inner join. Okay, let me complete the inner join. Then I will set the next steps. Okay, so this is the second part, and e dot new price. Okay, and as price from products. Okay, table has been declared. Now use inner join. Okay, packet start. Okay, select product ID. Here I will use max because you see why I am using max. You see the output over here. For 2 it is taking 50, and for 1 it is taking 35. Now anything above 16 you have 1 1 1 2 1 1. That is 3 product ID of 1 and 1 product ID of 2. Now you see we are only considering the maximum of the new prices, maximum of the change date. Okay, and that and subsequent new prices of that date is being taken. Okay, see the maximum is 16/8/2019 and 35 is being taken. Yeah, the main funda is that whatever the price will be as on 16/8. Okay, so any changes above 16/8 will be overlooked. Okay, the latest one will be considered. Okay, so for that reason I'm taking maximum. I will consider as max date. Okay, now from products, use where for the condition of the image. The condition I have already said to you, so no need to explain. I think this is clear. Is providing the condition of the change state, the 16.8 2019. Okay. Now similarly, I will use group by. For every part, I will use group by. Okay. Because without group by, the exact new prices will not be found. Okay. Any haphazard product ID may take into consideration, and the new prices may come. So that will cause a chaos. Okay. So I have to use group by in every part. Yeah, I think it's okay now. Okay. Take this as R. Now use the condition on which one to equate on image one, on product ID and on dates. Okay. So R dot product ID done, and P dot changed date is to R dot. Okay, I can use R dot changed date, but it will be better to write the max date. Okay, so it will just equate the change state with the max one. The reference table what I am taking for the inner join, the max date will be taken into consideration. Okay, that's it. Now see over here. So these are the two things. One is greater than 2016 and another is less than. Now just simply what you do is you write a union all, union both things. Okay, let me run. What happened? Oh, so it changed. Accepted. Okay. Oh, there was a minor problem of spelling error. I have used changed on change state. Okay, so see this one. Okay, mm. This part now let me just explain you once again. So this is the of the join part I have used of using a reference table with that a product table. What I have done is I have taken the minimum values of the change state, maximum value of the change state, which is below of which is less than 16 2019, and that I have used the inner join on top of it to equate the dates and similarly the product IDs. So from that I will take the price, okay, and the product IDs. And previously what I have taken is I have taken all the prices which is greater than 16/8 2019. Okay, so minimum of that will be considered as 10. So I have used a variable 10 number as 10 on price. Okay, price is as 10. So whenever this date will come, it will take 10. The price is 10. I have described is 10. Two condition has been fulfilled. Now union null. Use a union null in between. Okay, it will just merge both of them. Okay, that's what it has done. Now let me submit the test cases over here. I think it will accept everything. Yeah, it is taken. So this is what the question is. Uh, Very nice question of product price at a given date. You just need to understand the question, what the question is trying to say actually. Is a bit confusion in the question. If something descriptive would have given, it will be easier, but it is okay. This it is a bit mixture of the joins and unions. Mm. So a bit of tough question. Okay. So thank you then. See you in the next video. Okay. Bye.